Imagine turning your spare change into a fortune. But where should you put your money? Either stock or real estate? The answer might be surprise you. Hey there, I am Ram and today we are diving into our ultimate showdown. Stock versus real estate for beginner investor. If you have ever wondered where to start investing to build your finance future, stick around. We are breaking it all down in simple. So, why investing is important? Well, imagine planting a tiny seed today and watching it grow into a mighty tree. Investing is kind of like that. By starting now, you are giving your money a chance to grow over time, helping you achieving dreams like buying a house, traveling the world, or even retiring comfortably. I start investing with just a few dollars, and trust me, every little counts. First up, what are stock? Think of stock as a tiny piece of a big company. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small share of that company. If the company does well, your piece become more valuable. Pretty cool, right? Companies like Apple, Destiny sell stock on exchange like NYSE or Nasdaq. And guess what? You can own a part of them. Now, let's talk real estate. This isn't just about buying a house to live in. Real estate investing means purchasing property to make money, either by renting it out or selling it for profit later. From residential home to commercial building, real estate can be a tangible way to grow your wealth. Imagine owning an apartment building and collecting rent every month. So, what makes stock awesome? Pros are liquidity. You can buy and sell stock easily with just a click. Low barrier to entry. Start investing with as little as $10. Diversify. Invest in a different industry like tech, healthcare, or even entertainment. Potential for a dividend. Some companies pay you just owning their stocks. Cons are, but be aware of markets, ups and downs. Stock price can change quickly. It can be emotional seeing your investment going up and down. Now, what is great about real estate? Pros are, it is a physical asset, which means you can see and touch it. You can leverage your money, which means bank can lend you fund to buy more properties. You have control over your investment, which means choosing your tenant, set rent prices, generate passive income through your rent. Cons are high upfront costs like down payment and the maintenance. It is not easy to sell a house overnight. Let's talk money. Historically, the stock market has returned about 7 to 10% annually after inflation, thanks to compound interest. Your money can grow significantly over time. Real estate can also offer great return, especially if your property value increase and you have a steady rental income. But return can vary widely based on location and market conditions. Every investment has risk. Stock can be volatile. You might see your investment dip suddenly due to market swing. Real estate risks include bad tenant, unexpected repair, or even property value dropping. Remember the 2008 housing crisis. Did you know tax can eat into your return? With stock, you might pay tax on dividend and capital gain when you sell. Real estate offer tax perks like deducting mortgage interest and depreciation. Stock can be pretty hands-off. Once you invest, you can let it grow without daily attention. Real estate often requires more work, finding tenant, fixing leak, collecting rent. But you can hire a property manager or invest in REIT to make it more passive. Ready to dive into stock? Here is how. Open a brokerage account on platform like Robinhood or any alternative platform. Start with ETF or index fund to diversify easily. Research company or consider robo-advice for guidelines. Think about real estate. Here is your game plan. Save for a down payment and check your credit score. Research location. Remember, location is the key. Consider start small like duplex where you live in one unit and the rent other one. Explore REIT or crowdfunding platform if buying property isn't feasible for you. So, which is right for you? Stock or real estate? It is depend on you. If you prefer low starting costs and want a more hand-off investment, stock might be your pick. If you like tangible asset and don't mind work, real estate could be your path. Or why not both? Diversifying can be a smart move too. Avoid these common mistakes if you are a beginner. Over leveraging. Don't take on more debt than you can handle. Putting all egg in one basket. Diversify your investment. Emotional investing. Don't let fear or greed drive your decision. Ignoring hidden costs in real estate like maintenance or taxes. Knowledge is powerful. Keep learning about investing through books, podcasts, and video like this one. I love Rich Dad and Poor Dad by Robert. It has opened my eye to how money works. Alright, we cover a lot. Stock offer easy entry and less day-to-day work, while real estate provide tangible asset and potential rent income. Both have their pros and cons. The best investment is the one that you align with your goal and comfortable level. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on building wealth. Comment below which investment are you leaning toward, stock, real estate, or both. I love to hear your thoughts. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Don't be afraid to start small. What's important is that you start. You have got this. Let's build the future together.